Welcome to week 6. So let's go ahead and so post-test, congrats on finishing test 1. Nothing on that week, nothing on week 5. So we're coming up in week 6. So I'll just start right off the front. Week 6 is going to be heavy because week 5 was light with only the test and there was no lecture afterwards. There's a lot of week 6 and 7 kind of are a little backlogged or logged in to kind of account for that. All that material that basically that kind of not doing a second lecture, one lecture around the test. So something to consider when you're kind of planning things. I would just be mindful. There's a lot. It'll feel like a lot because it is a lot. So I'm not gonna lie about that. Let's go ahead and take a look at what is going on over here. So this is all about chemical equilibrium. We are doing chapter 13. So we're doing the entire chapter. So one of the things I will note, so I am making this on Thursday night, the 10th. This folder opens on the 11th. You will note there are videos missing. There are links missing. I am having big issues. I updated my operating system to the new Windows, and I'm having issues with outputting videos. So I'm going to use a different computer at home, and I'll get these videos uploaded, hopefully. Just be mindful, those will appear in the video, but they should appear. Also, if you see any sort of like weird green or pink streaks, like colored streaks in the videos, let me know. It seems to be constantly changing what can or can't not. Some of the transitions I use are broken now in Windows, so you'll notice some black screens in between little cuts. You will notice jump cuts that I now have to put in. You'll notice random punctuation marks. So just be mindful of that. If you see anything broken, let me know. I will hopefully get these filled in. I'm gonna get them filled in, hopefully on the 11th, that's Friday. But I just want to get this intro video up. So that's that. Day in the life. Lab, I want to point out, so this chemical equilibrium lab, we're doing chemical equilibrium in lecture. So it will make more sense once. I really like this lab. I think this is a really good lab where we're going to do some good, cool stuff with chemical equilibrium. This video is basically just going to show you the lab. There's not really much. I wanted you to see it when we're kind of going into it. I think it's also really helpful with kind of understanding this idea. This lab is really all about Le Chatelier's principle. And we're going to do a little bit of Le Chatelier's principle here in the first set of videos. And then we'll get kind of into the meat of it on these second set of videos, or not meat of it, but a little more kind of nuanced, some other applications. So I think you'll kind of, it's all very, again, part of this heaviness, kind of watch these videos, then maybe do the pre-lab, get ready for that. The other thing I wanted to note about the lab, I'll go in here. No, yeah, never mind. That's normal. Never mind. Getting my wires crossed. The other thing I wanted to point out is this video that's not linked while making this video, but this video and your exam 1 grade. So I just want to point out that your exam 1 grades are posted, will be posted on Friday the 11th. So you want to be sure to check those out. And so your grade is on Blackboard. I'll pass back paper copies next week in lab, or this week in lab, and week 6 in lab. And there's also this grade calculator. So this video is going to kind of point you to the grade calculator, and you want to go check the grade calculator out in the main page of the course, so you can kind of figure out future grades. So you can see Blackboard, my grades will tell you what's my grade right now in the class. The grade calculator will let you figure out what could your grade be in the future. So I encourage you to take a look at that. Otherwise, that is it. Sorry for some of the jank broken videos, but that's just kind of how it goes. That's what I get for updating my operating system, I suppose. But if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, welcome to week 6. Congrats on completing test 1. You've made it through the first. We're over a third of the way into the class because it's a 16-week class. The last week's final, so really it's 15 weeks of content. You've done 5 of them. Congratulations. There is 10 more. And we got spring break not too far away. So yeah, before you know it, this semester will be done. And it'll be summertime. But otherwise, I hope you have a good week. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, welcome to chapter 13. Enjoy.